the ball. I want you to be able to see the backfield. Split the difference.
Grab, be low. Go, wide. Outside.
Yeah!
Good job,
God damn it.
Home return! Hey, watch the fake! Cross! Cross! The ball, watch that ball! Cross, watch that ball! Hey, on the line, I want that ball!
Right there. Reagan knows.
Tight line.
Go. Left side. Go. You're fine.
Norman!
Norman, back up. Back up. There you go.
Hey, yep. You got it.
Go.
Get it!
Nice kick, Dayan! Hit that dude! His knee was down!
Hey, good job! Let's go, Let's go! 1D! Hey, James, that's how you punt that ball. Yeah, yep. Bernie for winner.
So do I hit horn when the time goes out? Yeah. We can just tell the ref too.
Pep,
Hey ref!
you gotta hold that corner, okay?
Last play of the quarter!
Linebacker screwed up.
Yeah, Rouse.
I don't know if the horn works, you can try it. After the play. Just...
Hey, pay attention.
Run!
Hey.
Bernie, bring it in, boys.
Bernie, don't run back.
Let's go, jog off, get a drink. Get a drink. Hey, get a quick drink.
Harrison goes to get a drink, all right?
Oh.
Let's keep up the intensity, guys.
Hey, remember where our holes are, fullback. I know that guy got outside, but we still want to run on the Hey, bring it inside.
All line, you guys got to help out.
Chip and Reagan know that if we're going at guard and center or guard and tackle, okay? We will beat them upfield if we run up the middle.